Hello children, how are you all? I hope all are good at home. Yes. Did you all practice the new lesson hard words spellings and also the synonyms given in this lesson? Picnic in the woods? Yes. Today we are going to see the grammar part in this lesson. It is describing words. What do you mean by describing word? Yes. When you say something about a thing or an object or animal or any people, it is describing them. It is saying about them. When you are saying something about a certain thing, like for example, for the tree in the picnic, we said an old tree. It comes in the lesson, you remember? An old tree, a new mat they spread under the tree, and there was a small bench near the tree where Priya went and sat on that. Not Priya, it is Sheila. Sheila went and sat on that, I think. Then a little squirrel came from the tree. That is the little squirrel. So the squirrel, it says about the squirrel, little squirrel. They played with the ball, but the color I don't remember. They mentioned yellow color, but here we can say yellow ball. Yellow ball. This color is mentioned about the ball. The bench size is mentioned, a small bench. A new mat. About that mat. It is a new mat or old mat or whatever it is. Then old tree. Because the tree was very big and it is many years old. So it is old tree. These are all the describing words. These are all the words which says about those things. Tree, mat, bench, squirrel, ball. Like that. If you say something about a word or a thing or animal or any people, it is the describing word. Okay. So now here the word that tells us more about naming word are called describing words. Say about a place or animal or thing or any name. If you say about it, it is the describing word. So here look at the following things, pictures of a ball, this box, this drink and car, and they give the correct describing word they are saying. Wow, this you say about this ball. It is a round or long ball. Round. Say they are asking us to circle. Yes, it is a round. Then this one, red yellow car. Which one? Red car. Yes. Then about this box, it is full or empty? Empty. Yes. Then this drink, about this drink, it is hot or cold? Ice cubes are there, so it must be cold. Yes, like this. So coming to the next page, again about the describing words in this page here, these are the words in the hippopotamus. So they have described about this picture, and we are going to see the words on the hippopotamus and write on this blank space. Okay. So first one is clean. Clean, C-L-E-A-N, clean. Clean is also saying something about something. That is happy. Next one, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Happy is also saying about a thing or animal or whatever. Muddy, M-U-D-D-Y, muddy. Then big, B-I-G, big. Rainy, R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. Small, S-M-A-L-L, small. These are all the describing words which we are going to use in this sentence. So first what it is given, Hippie is a baby hippopotamus. So his name is Hippie. He likes to walk alone in the village. So he wants to walk alone in the village. It is a rainy day. For the first one, they have given rainy. Okay, it is a rainy day. So if he wants to walk alone in the village, so he walks. So it is a rainy day. If he sees a dash puddle and tries to jump over it, it starts with letter B. So what puddle is that? Puddle is a stagnated water where the mud is, where in the hole in the road, that hole is filled with rainy water and it becomes stagnated, that muddy mud and the water mixed and it becomes like like this. And when you stamp on that, what will happen? Your legs or whatever it is gets fully muddy, just like what happens in on this hippie. So here it starts with B. The word which starts with B here is big. Big puddle and tries to jump over it. Once hippie happens to see this big puddle and he wants to jump over it. So what happens? But he steps into it. He is sad. So he wants to jump over it, but what happens? He keeps his leg and steps into it. He is sad. He can't cross it. He just steps on it. And Hippie goes to his friend Hira. Hira looks at this M star. That letter, that word starts with M. Here it is muddy. Here M, this big over, then this spelling is muddy. Muddy legs. Hira looks at this muddy legs. So he, what happens after stepping on it? He is sad and he goes to Hira to say about it. And Hira looks at his muddy legs. Then Hira fills a S jug. Yes, the word with S here is small. Yes, the small. Small mug, small jug with water and washes Hippie's legs. Then Hira fills a small jug with water and washes Hippie's legs. Now Hippie's legs are the word which starts with C, clean. Yes, Clean. Clean. Hira and Hippie are happy. The word is H, happy. Happy, happy. So these are all the describing words which you can see from this and write. Big, muddy, small, clean, happy. Okay? Yes. This is the describing word. And next one, yeah, this I gave you for homework. Days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. To read the spellings of the days of the week. It is for this only. Also read aloud the names of the days of the week they are saying. And name the day. This is an exercise for you. You'll have to do it in your book. That is always a holiday for you. Which day is always a holiday for you all? You all will sit together and enjoy. What day is it? On all these days? Yes, it is Sunday. Okay, it is Sunday. Fill in this blank in your book. That you go to the library. Which day you will all go to library? I think from Monday till Friday you have school. Saturday only you don't have school, and even Sunday. But Sunday we don't go anywhere. On Saturday we can go to library. So I wrote as Saturday. It's your wish. You can change the day also if you want. Where you go to the library. Fill in this. That's all for today, children. Practice the worksheet. And one more thing is given, my listening and reading practice. Yes, this one. Here You will have to listen and just look at the picture, listen what you can say about it. Yes, you can only look at the picture and say the opposites given here. Just like this is big, this is small, big, small. Here the cupboard is, here it is open, it is closed. So open, close. And for these girls, this girl is sad and she is happy. Sad, happy. This one, the suitcase is heavy. This is light. Heavy, light. And this one, hot, cold. And this one, when does the sun comes? The morning. This is night. But day and night they have given. Day, night. Okay, day and night we can say. And here for this, tall, short. Tall, short. And for this, it is on top and this comes to the bottom. So top, you can say up and down, top, bottom. Yes, high, low also you can say. But yeah, I have taken top and bottom. For top, this is on top, this is bottom. Top and bottom. You just know about this opposites. That's enough. You should be able to identify what the picture is. That is very important for listening and reading practice. Just read and practice. Okay, that's enough. That's all for today, children. Okay, do the worksheet on describing words. Worksheet is given. Do it, ma. Thank you. Have a nice day.